kids, welcome to Bona Pikinini. Today's lesson is Teach Me Setswana. We're gonna learn how to say the names of all kinds of foods in Setswana. Food is dijo in Setswana. One more time, dijo. This is a banana. How do you say banana in Setswana? Banana. That's an easy one, kids. Banana. Well done. And what's this? This is an orange. How do we say orange in Setswana, kids? It's namuni. One more time. Namuni. Well done. This is a watermelon. A watermelon in Setswana is legapu. One more time. Legapu. And this is a lemon. How do you say lemon in Setswana? Sorinamuni. I know that's a long one, right? Sorinamuni. And this is an apple. How do you say apple in Setswana? It's another easy one. Apple. Well done. Apple. And these are eggs. And how do we say eggs in Setswana? Mai. Again. Mai. Well done. This is meat. And how do we say meat in Setswana? Nama. Meat in Setswana is nama. This is water. Splash, splash. How do you say water in Setswana? Metsi. One more time. Metsi. Well done. This is bread. How do we say bread in Setswana? Boroto. One more time. Boroto. Well done. You're doing well. This is corn. How do you say corn in Setswana? Midi. One more time. Midi. This is a pawpaw. How do you say pawpaw in Setswana? It's another easy one. Pawpaw. Say it again. Pawpaw. And this is a pear. Pear in Setswana is pere. Again, pere. Well done. That's a tomato. How do we say tomato in Setswana? Tamati. Say it again. Tamati. Good one, kids. These are peanuts. And how do we say peanuts in Setswana? Manoko. One more time. Manoko. Guess what? It's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. What's a tomato? It's tamati. Well done. And what's corn? Corn is midi. And how do you say bread? Bread is boroto. How do you say water? Metsi. Water is metsi in Setswana. And lastly, a watermelon. A watermelon is called legapu. Well done, kids. Thank you for joining us for today's lesson on how to say food in Setswana. See you next time. Bye.
If you've enjoyed our videos, please like, share and subscribe to Bona Pikinini for more African Kiddies content.